If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Add water and mix it well without forming any lumps. Mix it to this consistency. Now I am going to cook this at low temperature. We must cook to this consistency at low temperature. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let us prepare the board using a cardboard and handmade paper. This handmade paper is used for painting watercolors and acrylic colors and also poster colors. This sheet is available in art shops. You can also use chart paper available in bookstores. This sheet, it has matte finish one side and smooth finish other side. I am taking a little quantity of wheat flour paste. I think this is enough for the board I prepared. I am adding little white glue to it. We can use only wheat flour paste itself. White glue is optional. Adding white glue gives more binding to the board and the paper. Mix it well. Wet the sheet. To give a good finish to the board, we can also cover this side. Now this is a perfect board. It is almost like a canvas board. I am adding a spoon of sand. Not necessary to add fine sand. See, it has some small stones. And 1 spoon of Wallputty. Little water to it. It looks very grainy, so I am adding some more Wallputty. We'll cover the borders with the tape. You can use even masking tape. This is the consistency of the paste I prepared. We'll wet the board because it is not sticking properly to the board. Yeah, we need to wet the board. You can spread it uniformly. Actually, I mixed Wallputty and sand in equal proportion. If you feel the paste is too grainy and difficult to apply over the board, you can add more Wallputty. that is 1 spoon of sand. You can add 2 spoons of Wallputty. We can remove the tape before it goes dry. You can use the bark of a tree to create the texture. Once it is dry, I am going to apply some black in a water-like consistency. Black, brown, some white. I am applying black, Indian red, white, and brown in a wet brush. That is, I am applying the paint in a water-like consistency. So it looks so beautiful, like a bark of a tree. Once it is completely dry, I am applying pale, pale golden yellow as a base coat. I added a white acrylic paint to golden yellow. Once the base coat is completely dry, I am applying a cerulean blue as a wash over the base coat. This is called wash. See, even the base coat is transparent. Actually, Aparajitha flower are available in various colors, but this variety has 3 different colors. It looks so gorgeous. Kindly let me know in the comment box how many Aparajitha flowers you have seen so far. Once the second coat is completely dry, I am going for a third coat. Now I am applying a Persian blue as a third coat. Here I want the second coat also to be visible, because I think the original Aparajitha flower looks like this. I think I am touching the original flower almost. I think it looks almost like a original Aparajitha flower. I want to apply sap green here. This is how it looks. Made some tiny leaves and I applied sap green. For the tree, I want to give a wash up brown. We can apply different shades of light brown and dark brown. I was using a white glue. Finally, beautiful Aparajitha flowers are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.